I'm all about my kids exploring, learning, and growing. That's why I found the perfect solution. The new M44, a 52-piece, all-in-one microscope kit from IQ Crew by AmScope. It's a complete, quick, and easy solution for fun and learning. This comprehensive kit includes tools, vials, prepared slides, ready-made experiments, and much more. Everything kids need for hours of enriching fun. All neatly packed in a durable carrying case that doubles as a mobile lab table for maximum portability. The microscope features a durable ABS frame built to last, high-quality objectives, and up to 1,200 times magnification, ensuring a clear view down to the cellular level. The dual LED lights make samples come to life, while the rotating head and adjustable eyepiece provide crystal-clear images. This simple, ready-to-go, all-in-one kit allows kids to demonstrate their STEM knowledge. Watch the magic happen as kids explore, learn, and grow.